You ever have one of those days where you wake up, do a few things, scroll a little, and suddenly it's midnight? You brush your teeth and think, where the hell did the day go? It's scary how normal that's become. But it's not your fault. There's something deeper going on. The way we experience time isn't just mental, it's biological. Every time you jump from app to app, task to task, you trigger dopamine, our brain's reward chemical. And the more it spikes, the more your brain craves quick, easy, shiny things. But there's a cost. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that helps with focus, planning, and self-control, starts to fatigue. You lose your grip on time, not because you're lazy, but because your brain's energy budget is being hijacked. You know why childhood felt so long? Novelty. New experiences slow down your perception of time. They make memories stick. But when every day looks the same, wake up, screen, scroll, repeat, your brain stops recording, so time feels like it's speeding up. Because it kind of is. You're not building enough markers to anchor it. So how do you use time wisely? Start by protecting your mental bandwidth. If you give it to every notification, you won't have enough left for what actually matters. Then, bring back novelty. That doesn't mean you have to travel the world. Just do one thing a little differently. Write instead of scroll. Walk a new street. Call someone you haven't talked to in months. These tiny changes reset your brain's clock. They help you feel time again. And that's the first step to actually using it. Your time isn't just slipping, it's being spent. One decision at a time. You can't control how much time you get, but you can control how much of it you're truly aware you use it for. So ask yourself each morning, what's one small thing today that will still matter? Now, use your time on purpose. Time doesn't scream as it leaves. It whispers and waits for us to finally listen.